Hi there, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 131. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 131. If you would like to see the previous 130, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, with that being said, let's open this up. Those are really pretty, the little flowers there. Let's open this up. And the little chandelier, that's really cute. And of course, on this side here, it lists all of the different pieces, which are in the picture up here. And then over here, it talks about miniature, like little miniature, like dishes and things that are in silver. Or like the fancy silverware, but for miniature dollhouses. And this is really cool. This is an old, like to heat the blankets. So when you would go under the blanket, you would have, instead of it feeling cold, it would be warm because you would have these things and you would put live embers in this part. Of course, it's not totally safe, but it definitely got the blanket warm. A little iron there, and this is just kind of the same method as the blanket heater. They would put embers here and then they would press the clothes with that. And of course, forks, knives, spoons. And here it talks about like ice creams and that kind of thing. Here we have one, a little ice cream stall in 1950 in Paris. you guys tell me what is your favorite type of ice cream. Tell me down in the comments below. And well, here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And well, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our new little coat rack. I'm just going to open it here. And on that side as well. Let's open this up. And okay, so here we have our new little coat rack. It's kind of like an off-white with this nice pole in the middle that has like these little engravings into it. And we have these 3 prongs up at the top for our dolls to put their coats or other things on. So their hats, parasols, umbrellas, and then there's the bottom there. And then there's the underside. So it'll just sit in the dollhouse like that. It looks really cool. You guys tell me, what do you think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.